everyone, it's Jessica Licona coming to you live from the Licona team headquarters, and I have a very interesting topic. I cannot tell you how many folks during the COVID shutdown, if you will, started saying, I need a pool in my backyard and I need it ASAP. In Central Texas, there is a new concept that is coming out. I'm hearing about it in Austin and Dallas. I'm sure it's in Houston as well. It's called cancer concrete or concrete cancer. And I mention this for you to just keep very, very diligent tabs with your pool contractor. Usually they have subcontractors. And in this case, it's the gentlemen and the ladies that run the companies that are pouring your concrete and your gunite. So what this essentially does is it's the concrete and gunite companies that are not correctly mixing the concrete as best as I understand. And therefore, once the pool's been installed, you may over time start to notice hairline stress cracks that are on the exterior. It might be on the coping, things of that nature. And what that eventually does is once it's exposed to moisture, they continue to spread like cancer. And it will eventually kind of look like a reptilian kind of skin-like on that exterior concrete. And for this reason, I mention it to you. There is no way to fix it other than to pull it out and start from scratch. So I want to remind you, it's really important that you are talking to your pool contractor and really getting a good sense for what their insurance and warranty policy is, as well as who are they using to pour the concrete to ensure that that foundation is shored up for the years to come. Again, I want to mention to you the concrete cancer is the name. So reach out if you or someone you know is having issues. There is a local gentleman that I know that is going home to home for those that have reached out to him, and he's taking copious notes and getting photos and videos and looking into it further because it's happening all across Central Texas. All right, keep in touch. Let us know how we can continue to come to you with very interesting facts to look for and be mindful of in the years to come. Take care.